Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Gravity Circuit game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store search for Gravity Circuit and then click on Gravity Circuit game. Now scroll down and here you will see get Gravity Circuit free to keep when you get it before 14th June. And here you can see add to account button. So click on add to account button and then click on click to install now button. And here you can see Gravity Circuit and the file size is 311.13 MB. So click on install, then go to library and here you can see Gravity Circuit game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope you can also follow the same steps to download or install Gravity Circuit game for free via the Steam launcher, and you can download this game before 14th June 2026 for free and you can keep this game in your account forever. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.